Okay, I think we're live. All right, so I'll just open up my Cinema 4D real quick. Um, Here. Yeah, I think that works. Okay, so today I'm gonna make, well, not really make, but I'm gonna perfect my plugin. So I'm making some more plugins, and one of them is basically an effect like the mimic monster in Edge of Tomorrow, if you've seen that movie. And well, this is not it. I was just trying some random stuff. So I want controls for randomness. Basically, like I want to have some variation, like control for variation. So I've tried some things here. Um, One of them is this. So I made a little espresso thing. So what I So the way my plugin works is that you have to duplicate this like a couple times, right? And from that duplication, I want each of them to have different randomness seed. And for the seed, I decided to just sorry. For the seed, I decided to just extrapolate from the name itself. So for example, this says cube 4, or usually it's actually more of cube dot 4 like this. And then I extrapolate the string, and I use the fill string to change to if I change the string and see, like, it just removes all this stuff and replaces it with 0. And if I just use a real number, it's just transformed to 4. And the next one is for the randomness to happen, which is this one right here. So yeah, this is the random stuff. And okay, so there's some funny things going on here. So the random thing here, like it is random. Oh, by the way, I had to use this freeze, because if I don't, it's just gonna keep changing every frame, which I don't want. So I make it so that when the frame hits 1, compare it with 1, and if it's more than or equal to 1, then it'll be a boolean output saying true, switches this and freezing the random value, right? So yeah, and the problem with this random value is that although it does have a random seed right here, it doesn't really work as I expected. Like, the random seed just kind of modifies this result linearly, so I can't just plug straight this to the random seed like this, because yeah, it's honestly it's weird, because I don't think seeds are supposed to work like that. So yeah, this is definitely a very weird thing, right? So because of that, I don't want to use this random. Instead, I want to create my own random algorithm. Not algorithm, more like a function, wave function. So to do that, I'm gonna open up desmos. I hope that works. And well, random is pretty much just, for, well, at least the way I'm gonna do it is pretty much just stacking sine waves. So for example, like sin x plus sin, well, it's sine something like 1.67x, and you can already get some sort of randomness from this. And if you just repeat it a couple times, then yeah, it'll work. And I'm gonna replace this with a, oops, because I might need to adjust the x value if I want it to be more squished or something. All right, so it's time to make this formula. So I'm gonna start with sin times a plus sine, let's just pick some weird number, 1.432a plus sine 2.555, and maybe put a 7 there, a plus sine, what else? Oh, let's do a pi, because that's kind of fun. Pi a plus sine e a. That actually works. Okay. plus sine, let's do something with 4. So 4.44444 a plus, yeah, you get the point. Just make it as random as possible. Let's do something like sine a, wait, no, sine 5.98765 a plus sine pi a. You get the idea. Just make whatever EEA, and that actually looks really random. Okay, so we gotta figure out how many stuff here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we gotta divide all of them by 9 to kind of normalize the value into the -1 to 1 scale here, which is great. I think I can also adjust. So if I go to this A, right, we can have a bx plus c. So what B does is it does that, and C should just slide it around. So C should be the random seed for the user data. How do I get this back to? Oh wait, B equals 1. Equals 1. And B, well, I think I just have to fix the B value now. All right, so yeah, that's basically it. You can see that it really looks like randomness, by the way, which is pretty insane. Okay, so now I just gotta test it. So I want to know if c4d straight up uses degrees, or if or I don't know if they use radians. So I gotta test that real quick. All right, so we don't need this freeze anymore. We don't need random. We don't need this. We don't need this. All we need is this string and a formula. So we're gonna create this formula right here. I'm gonna add a value, and I'm gonna rename port to A. So this is the A value here. Okay, so A is just bx plus c. We'll do that later. We're probably not gonna be using the B value because this might be all we need. But I think this might look random enough. 1, 2. Yeah, this is. I mean, I'd say this is quite random. So yeah, that looks very random actually. Okay, I just realized something though. Like, I don't think it's truly random because the values above here are like very rare. So it might not be random. Yeah, it's like really hard to find, right? So it's actually kind of, well, it's more of just a noise. So it's not random in any way. If we just decrease this to something like 7, we should get something that's getting closer to that 1 plus 6. It's a bit much. 6.5. Sure. Actually, the C default is just 0. Okay. And yeah, this is looking good. Okay, fantastic. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is never gonna repeat because we have some what do you call this? Like numbers that like repeats off forever. So yeah, this is never gonna repeat, like at all. Which is kind of what randomness is. Anyway, so we gotta use our sign and assume that C isn't. So we'll just use some math to prepare for that. So math, and I'll put it here. It's gonna add. No, it's gonna multiply. Wait, yeah, it's gonna add actually. Add by whatever value there. Math add and put it here. That's the A, and I'm gonna use port names. Now let's test this out with some value like x equals 1, or x equals 2, just to make sure that we're like on the same page with the expression. So this is the value we're looking for, 0.306 and 0.1625. So let's change this to 1 first. So 1 formula, and this is where it's gonna get pretty stupid. So all that divided by 6.5. Right, let's do it. Sine. Let's just look here for sine. Okay, I'll close this first. That's annoying. Sine A plus sine 1.432a, 432a. I don't know if you need that or not. I'll just not include it for now. Plus sine. Hold on. I think I have to not. This is 2.57a. 2.57a plus sine pi a. I don't know if that works. Plus sine ea. Yeah, we'll just have to see if this works. If it doesn't, then I might have to plug some multiply thing. ea sine 444 sine 4.44a. Does it really matter, the number? I don't think so. 4a 5. 5.98765 a plus sine pi a plus sine b. All right, we'll see if this produces anything. Oh my god, it actually does. Okay, so it's not the correct value. Oh yeah, because we haven't divided by 6.5, right? So we'll just put everything in the parentheses. And like this. And then divide it by 6.5. That's still not right. I don't know why. Sine, so bx plus c. X plus c a. I mean, this should be correct. Plug straight to the formula. So a. Oh, maybe because we just have to change this to radians. And that did nothing. Or maybe we have to convert it from the outside. So convert degree radians to degree. Maybe let's just give that a try. Or degree to radians. That's even more wrong. Okay, something's off. Radians? No. Degree? Is degree? No. Okay. Degree? No. Okay, so I guess I'm doing something wrong here. Maybe I should use some multiply. I'll do that real quick. Wait, I don't do anything. Pi. Yeah, this one gets ridiculous. EEA. Divided by 6.5. Okay, let's try this one now. That's very wrong. Yeah, it's very wrong. 0.2. Why is it so good? Okay, honestly, I don't know if this is important or not. What if we just kind of mess around with this? Do we get different values? That's not supposed to happen. What? Okay, maybe we have to just put multiply and everything. Okay. Okay. This should work. Why does it keep adding up? It's not right. So A pi. Do we have to like define pi and E? Oh, I guess we should do that. Why is it so long? Okay, we'll rename this. Oh, shit. Rename this to pi. Rename this to E. I will get a constant. And there's some constant here. Let's see, we have pi. Put the pi and pi. And then E. Yeah, there's no E here, really? There should be E. Also, the file didn't change because, well, probably because pi and E is already like recognized. This is really weird. Angle type. Like, even if we just don't include this, it'll work out, right? And if we remove the I, it'll get an error. So this should be correct, but it's not. So we can just delete this part. Why is the formula so long? Okay. So, okay, so we don't need the B, right? Yeah. C is at 0, which is basically nothing. Like as you see here, x equals 1. Yeah, why isn't this working? Like it shouldn't just keep adding up like this. That's wrong. Oh wait, it doesn't. Oh, it doesn't. Oh, interesting. Okay. So 1 equals this value for whatever reason, and 2, oh wait, 205. That's totally wrong. Okay, I guess something is wrong inside the formula. But honestly, I think it's just a matter of this. Oh, we got it. Oh, it's right. It's right. Oh, okay. Okay, nice. So we just have to change radians degree because I guess this thing was handling radians. I don't know. It's kind of confusing. So we can plug this back here. So now what we can do is just rename this to whatever we want, and the seed will change according to that. Yeah. Let's just give this a test by x equals 3. Oh, wait. X equals 3. Yeah, that's correct. Nice. And if we just keep adding this, this, we shouldn't get a pattern at all. So the function this is real, okay. So I'm just gonna quickly cycle through this and see if there's any repetition or any pattern. And I don't think so. I think everything is going well. Yep, that is pretty random. Nice. I think for the divisor right here, I think I should put it outside of this entire math stuff. So I'll just copy a math. Okay. All right. Oops. Put it here, there, there, and I'll do a divide. Let's go by 6. So this division now goes like this. So a bit of a larger range, which is nice. Some parts are peaking above 1 and -1, but I think that's fine. So now we can just get this form. I'm gonna make this big actually, just to signify how important this formula is. So now if I go back to our math, keep changing this, I should get very random values, which is the whole point. Nice. Okay. I think we're good. To make sure, yeah. We can just plug this back here. And I wonder if the format is in space and number. If I just do this, yeah, it's not gonna work. But if it's space and number, it works. So this is pretty much what we're gonna use. So this is the seed change. I'm gonna rename this seed add. This is part of the formula, so I'm gonna make it like a stack. That's the big formula, big boy right here, and this is just a result. This seed comes from the name. Result, we don't really need that. Great, so this is gonna be our setup. We've done it. So yeah, I don't think we need this anymore. Okay, so let's just move everything here. I'm gonna hit copy or Control C, and I'm gonna move it to my project, which I don't know where it is. Yeah, by the way, I have a lot of plugins coming out, so that's interesting. I forgot where I put it. It's in desktop perhaps. Gumroad. Yeah, I have a lot of projects coming up. Stringy pull. Wait, no, I'm not doing that. I'm doing mimic base. Let's go. Okay. So far we pretty much have nothing. Wait, did I not save this by the way? Hold on. Yeah, never mind, we're good. So I wanna delete this animation. So now we just have this guy. And I actually have some. Okay, I'm gonna make this to mimic base. This is version 6 now, actually. Oh my god. We're advancing very quick. Well, I haven't posted any of the versions. I just gonna skip to the 6. Well, no, I developed it from all the way from 1 to 6, but yeah, I haven't like posted any of them. Well, I did post I think version 4 or 5 on Reddit, and people liked it, and I had the file for free. This one is gonna be the paid one. Creature boy. It's still named Creature boy here. Let's name this mimic base 6.0. Okay. Enable displacement. Yeah, okay. So stepping smoothness is something that is kind of weird. Like, I basically try to use like some, yeah, I don't know. I don't think it really does anything. But if it's enabled to like 100%, then it's kind of like it goes fast and then it slows down like that. That's kind of what I try to mimic. Oh, mimic. Anyway, I'm gonna up the travel multiply here, and if I do that, it should be evident like what I meant. Like it's kind of smooth, kind of going very smooth, like wee, like that. So that's the stepping smoothness. It's a pretty weird name, right? Stepping. Oh my god, what is happening? Okay, stepping smoothness is should be right here. Wait, no, it's not. Mix. Why is this evolution factor? Okay, I'm very bad at, you know, doing this. Where is it? Attributes. Okay, hold on. So we want to find stepping smoothness from this sweep. Stepping smoothness goes up here. Mixing factor, output, and growth. It's this one right here. It's set to ln 10. I want to try using formula instead. So let's get a formula going. And I'll just, it says X, use port names, value, but I'll name this value to X. So rename port X. And I'll put it, wait, yeah, I'll put it here. And I delete this. And I'll put this here. The formula, well, I have yet to know. I'm thinking of something like a square. Oh, that's really weird. I think that's the total opposite. So maybe we need a square. So just half. Maybe is that the one? True. It's really hard to tell. Okay, let's go over 3. What's gonna happen? I mean, yeah, that's kind of smooth, but at the same time, it's also kind of weird. Yeah, what I don't know, man. It's really strange. Maybe I just have to decrease the travel threshold multiplier. Oh shit, wait. Okay. Okay, what about now? So like it starts out fast and then it's gonna slow down. Which I think is good, but at the same time it's also kind of weird. Let's try 4. It's gonna be even more extreme. Yeah, it's really weird. Looks really awful. Let's go 2.5. Wait, so we're at 100% right now, okay. Stepping smoothness. What if we're at something like 70%, right? And then this was a 3. Yeah, that's even more weird. Like it goes so fast. Yeah, it's really weird. So I guess I'll stick to, what was it, 2.5? Honestly, I think the len 10 one was better. So let's just not, let's just no, don't save change, and reopen it again. So this is using the len 10. Stepping smoothness. It's kind of weird. Yeah. But yeah, you can you can see the point, like what I'm trying to achieve here. Just a threshold multiplier here. You can see that it kind of works. Stepping smoothness. Yeah, it's a weird name, but it's fine. Da, 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 da. Variation. So it's time to add some variation, which is gonna be hard. I mean, we're already with this mess, and now we're gonna add variation. I'm gonna start with travel threshold multiplier. Actually, no, that is a bit weird. But actually, yeah, sure. Travel threshold multiplier. Travel threshold multiplier, where are you? You're right there. So you're going into the multiply of this guy. So you're like the default value, and then goes into this. Okay, I think we can make that work. I'm gonna copy my little node here. The object here is gonna be relative reference. One creature leg, relative reference. So we have fill string, one creature leg. Okay, we gotta change this string here. I'm gonna add a result. See what I'm doing. String. Okay, all we have to do is just up this count here. So say this is one creature like 0.1 or something. Is that what happens, right? Yeah, nice. So we just gotta go to the fill string and just do it until it's nice. So if this is just 12, it should work. Yeah. Sorry. Okay, so man, this is actually really complicated, but it's fine. Okay, so the string, we got the strings. We just gotta pull that thing out from there and put it up here. Let's actually simplify some of this first. I'm gonna hide this, and then hide this. Should I hide this? Probably not. I'll just put it here. Compare. Why is this so complicated for no reason? Okay, it's fine. Seed. Add. The result, we don't need that anymore. Okay, so we'll start with, what was it? The travel threshold multiplier. Okay, so I actually wrote down some notes on paper on how to do this because it's gonna be pretty hard. Anyway, we have the name, random seed, and we're gonna have to do some mixing. Oh, yeah, I forgot something. So this is, this is pretty cool, right? I mean, you can do whatever you want. Like, blah, 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 blah. But it's still from -1 to 1. I want it to be 0 to 1. So the way to do that is to just add, of course. I'll just duplicate this math. And I'll hide this. And this is gonna be add 1. And I'll plug the output to here. So this is basically the @1 of that. Great. I'll fold both those. And actually, we can just fold the formula as well. We don't really need it, right? Anyway, this is our little random number generator. So I'll just make it nice and compact. This is gonna be from the creature. So we actually don't need this. We could just drag from here. So we'll go name. Name, there it is. It's there. Then we don't need this anymore. And just drag this. Oh my god, like drag this to the string. Great. We have our little random number generator right here. And we're gonna allow it to mix or not with the seed. So we'll have a seed. Okay, this is, oh my god. All right, I think we should just make a new node instead of just dealing with this stuff. I think we should just drag another one of this and make another one because that's just way too complicated. Okay, I'll just put it somewhere, maybe up here because it's very full down there. Just put it here, and this is our one creature. Our one creature like, what is the one creature like? Oh yeah, I haven't renamed it. I'm stupid. It should be mimic base 6.0. We'll start with a name. I'll duplicate this result to show string. Okay, we're getting somewhere. I just gotta reduce this. Oh, there it is. We're getting some numbers. Mimic base 6.0 and a 1. We want to extract the 1. So 15 it is. 15. Great. Okay. We're done with this. So we have our name, and we'll just put every of our seed here. So we need two things. We need the randomness amount, and we need the seed. The seed is what's gonna be here. So I'll actually just open this up. Okay. Let's do this. Travel threshold multiplier. Actually, I think I should just call this travel multiplier. Okay. And we're gonna add a data. It's gonna be variation. Travel multiplier variation. It's gonna be a percent, so use a float slider. Then we'll add another data. This is going to be a travel multiplier variation seed. Okay. Looks okay. Oh yeah, the seed should just be an integer. Actually, we should use a float. Real and no step. No limit, sorry. So yeah, the seed can be decimals, and it's fine. Yeah, it'll be fine. Okay, so we got those, and we say okay. So that's the stuff right there. And we'll just drag them here. Oops. Okay, so the problem is that the stuff is down there, so we have to like hack into this and then do that, whatever. Okay, but it's fine. We'll just have to deal with it. So first I'll get a mix. We could make this one 1, and we'll make it the other one the result. Wait, why can't I? Like so. And the variation seed is this. The factor is this. So now we can add some variation really easily. So that's our variation. And you know, if we were to change this to like 6, that value changes. Or 7. Which makes sense. Truly it does make sense. I'm gonna make this like 12. To get some randomness. So this is going to be the multiplier of our travel multiplier of the so add a math, and we'll set this to multiply by that, set this to 1 first, multiply, this one goes here, travel multiplier, nice. Okay. Nice. All that work was just for that. So yeah. But it's fine. We have this node hacked, right? Where we can just like copy it around. So yeah. So now this variation should do something. If I were just to copy this full fuck. No, that's not how it's supposed to work. Let's duplicate this multiple times. Oh, wait. It's not right. Let's just do that. Okay, well now we have to change the naming format again. And there you go. So 2 22. Okay. Should be great. Should be good. I think. We'll have some variation. Right? Yeah. Nice. We do have some variation, which is great. Why is it like kind of stepping? 6. Oh, it's not stepping actually. That's what I call random. Okay, good, nice, great. So that was only for the travel multiplier, which is like kind of useless. So we'll mess around with the other values here. So we're looking for thickness evolution factor. Yeah, we don't want that. We want thickness variation actually. Thickness variation is very important. And also some of the displacement here I think can benefit from that. Okay. Ah. I don't know why I'm thinking. Yeah. Okay. Start with the radius first. Thickness, or as I call it. Oh yeah, I forgot to save this. Save. Okay, thickness. Right here, I'm gonna add data. To data. I'll make this one a float slider. Nice. It's going to be a thickness variation. Thickness variation. And this one is thickness variation seed. Seed. It's going to be a float. Just a real float without any of that. Thickness evolution factor. Yeah, I think it's, yeah, okay. Hit OK. And we have some new sliders. We can just drag in here. And we'll basically just do the same thing. But we're gonna hack the radius. Where is the radius? Oh, it's down there. Oh no. Well, wait, actually no, we just have to mess around with the radius. Maximum thickness. We just have to mess around with that. Bring it up here and just yeah. Okay. Anyway. So we have our mixes. Where should I put this? Yeah, I'll put that there. And then I'll duplicate this. Okay, so thickness variation goes in mixing factor, and seed goes in the add, as usual. Okay, and then we use a math. Multiply. Multiply down here in the maximum thickness. Put that there. So where does this connect to? Float map multiply and input 1. Nice. I'll put that there. Which just hide. Yep, I'll put that there. And then I'll put this output right here. Nice. So now if we go to this mimic and thickness variation, just up that, should get something interesting. It's not doing anything. I wonder why. Maximum thickness. Okay. Oh, the string, I forgot. Oh, crap. Okay. Okay, now it should work. So the thickness variation should do something. It's still not doing anything. Oh wait, it actually does. Nice. You can just move. Why can't I move them? Usually I can. Okay, there you go. Okay. Nice. Oh wait, 6. The 6.4 is just kind of missing. I think what's happening is that for this 4, I think it's like a 0. I think it's a value like close to 0 or something. Well, not really. Why is it just straight up missing though? Okay, either something's wrong or is it just like super tiny and just straight up invisible? I have no idea. Yeah, why is it gone? Like just gone. Okay. Oh, it's the travel multiplier. Ah, I see. Okay, so yeah, a lot of stuff can go wrong. In this case, it's the travel multiplier, apparently. So yeah, a lot of randomness, a lot of fun, which is great. Okay, cool, 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 cool. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. So if it's not like if it doesn't look random enough, then I guess we'll have to change the divide value there. It's fine. So it's fine. Like remember when I said oh, the decimal file is gone. But remember when I said like it hardly reaches values of like point 0.8 yeah 0.8 to 1 or something like negative 0.8 to 1. Yeah, because it's not totally uniformly random, if I may say so myself. Okay, so we have that. We have thickness. Now we need I don't know what's a good. I think displacement scale is a great way. I think yeah, I think it's a great way to add a lot of variation. I'm gonna start so xz and y. Let's just do both. Scale xz. Displacement scale xz variation, and then we'll just duplicate that seed. This is gonna be a float slider of a percentage. Variation seed is just a float without any limits. Great. Now I'll just duplicate these. For some reason, Control C and Control V doesn't really work in the user data editor, which is strange. But yeah, there you go. Now we have control over the scale. For the seed, I mean I could make all this, but I think for the seed it's better to just like do like an R&D, something like this. Maybe I mean I can totally teach that in the upcoming tutorial. So yeah, no need to worry about the seed one. Because the seed actually does a lot. Like yeah, the seed is pretty yeah, it does a lot. It does a lot. Why am I pausing? Oh yeah, I gotta make this. Okay, it's time to do all that thing again. Alright, I'll make this up here. I'll make this up here. Okay, there's way too many nodes here. Okay. first of all, fill string, put in the name, and then wait, actually a good idea is to just make this seed random. Okay, put this on 100% for now. So we've put the names, now we just gotta drag these things. Variation goes in the mixing factor, seed here. So we want displacement scale x set, which is all the way down here, of course. Well, I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do, right? So it's just add math. Oh my god. Math, multiply, put this to 1 first. Okay, scale z goes here, and also here. Except displacement strength, except, yeah, okay. Now we just drag this all the way up here, and then put the output to do multiply. Nice. Okay, I'll cram this a bit more. Trying to fit them like Tetris. Make base 6. Okay, let's go now to displacement y. Variation. Seed. Make this a bit bigger. So like this, copy. Oh, the add got dragged. Okay. Gonna put this right here. Fill string. Put in the string. Oh shit. Fuck. Put in the string to the name. And then displacement scale except variation. Mixing factor. Seed. Add. Mixing factor now we go all the way down here to displacement scale y, right? All right, displacement scale y, yeah, displacement scale y. Are we sure this is actually right? Displacement scale. Wait, we're oh shit. Okay, we got the wrong one, guys. Fuck. Okay, hold on. Shit. Okay, I'll finish this one first. Oh my god. Where was it? Okay. Displacement scale y scale. Okay, yeah, this is correct. This one's correct. Yeah, I'll drag this. Okay, so the multiply. Okay, something's wrong here. My god. We don't want to change the strength, we want to change the scale. So we'll bring the strength back to the height. And this is not strength, it's supposed to be scale. Scale. So goes to global scale. And goes to global scale. Okay. Okay, crisis averted. Can just drag this back up here. And oh yeah, we haven't connected this to this. Okay, well this is a nightmare truly. But I just want to test out if it actually is like randomly does everything. So I'll just quickly put it through a result. So it's 1.319. This one is 1.335. So it's 0.956. This one is 0.475. Okay. So yeah, I think it is not too random. So, I mean, we already have like the slider, so we can just make this as random as possible, right? So in the math, divide. Okay, how would we decide the perfect number? Honestly, I think we just gotta divide it like, okay, so yeah. Divide. I guess just gotta make this kind of espresso notes. Wait, it's gone. Oh no. Math divide. So just like something like 4, it should be, you know, really. It's not that extreme actually. Did I think of it? Yeah. Okay. Let's make this something like 56. Just to get an idea of how actually random it is. I mean, it is pretty random actually. But this is on like 100% randomness, and it's not nearly random enough, right? So I'm gonna put this like 4. This should be pretty extreme. Okay, let's start with 1. Yeah, already you can see like it's pretty extreme already. Nice. Okay, it's really off value. Oh, this one just goes to 2. Oh wow. Wow. What was it? This is the third one. This is display of skill. Wow. Okay, so yeah, it does give a lot of wonky results if it's like too random, but you know, we have a randomness slider. So like yeah, as I was saying, we have a randomness slider, so like if they don't like it, they can just, you know. Okay, maybe 5 is a good balance. But yeah, randomness though. I think we should go 3. Like 3. Because like for it, yeah, this is 100% variation. Like yeah, 100% variation, right? So this is realistic right here for 100% variation, or maybe less realistic actually. I think we can crunch some better values, but I think this is quite good. Yeah, I mean we can still crunch it up a bit more if we want. I mean it's random after all, so like yeah, that value just jumped to now that is random. 100% randomness. Okay, actually, I think we should decrease it even more. 2.5. Oh, that one just went negative. 2.5. And I think we just have to test this on like a scene. Yeah. Well, I guess we can do that right now, actually. Yeah, we can totally do that right now. So first of all, I'll give this a save. And then in the core fields here, I'm gonna delete the keyframes. We don't need them anymore. Okay, so if we enable this, we should see where our stuff is. Oh yeah, there's only one road. Oh my god, look at that. Yeah, this is what true randomness looks like. No, this is random. I think that's a bit too much. So let's actually just go back to 3. Espresso notes. Sit still. Oh, okay. Let's back to 3. Oh, we're seeing something. Okay, we're gonna save this and make this editable. Wait, but there's still one rotation effort. So we'll copy this a bunch of times. I'm gonna go with 4 instances. Oh shit, wait, something's yeah, that's not supposed to happen. Sorry. So it's supposed to be 6. Yeah, that's exactly what I want. Great. So I'm gonna drag this out a bunch of times. I'm gonna do 4. And then actually I haven't saved it. This yeah. Okay. I'll just drag this a bunch of times. Remove the rotation up there to make it easy. And in the rotation, I'm gonna go to seat and just x plus R&D blah. And now it should be lagging. It's lagging. There you go. Now it should be rotated like that, which is pretty cool. Why is it lagging so much? I figured the streaming software is like, yeah, the streaming software is definitely doing a lot of CPU work, CPU or GPU, I don't know. But yeah, this is not good. I'm gonna disable the cloners because first thing I want to do the splines. I want to give them some more variation like that. Like that. Oh. Maybe this one make it back. Yeah. Just little variations like this will make it way better. Anyway, I'll close up each one of this and I'll make them actually clone. And you can see like the legs are all very random and it's very scary looking actually. Okay, so now we can just make all of them editable. Boom. And you can see, yeah, this is what randomness. Yeah, this is peak randomness, guys. Anyway, so what I want to do now is copy this, and I'll drag out these things. Oh, I just realized something. So because they have like the same name, then like, oh no. Oh no. So like each of these legs are like all the same, which I guess is good, but I don't want this. Okay, that's bad. It's not good. It's not great. But anyway, let's just yeah, it's not great actually. Let's not do this. Okay, let's figure this out. How would we fix this? Um yeah. How would we fix this? I don't think it's possible. I mean, the only way would be to just like duplicate the mimic base first and like rotate it around and stuff, and then clone that whole group. But yeah, that's another story. Um, oh no, oh crap. Hmm. Yeah. Okay. So the numbers. The problem isn't the numbers. The numbers are having the problems. The numbers are the same for each leg, which I mean is. I mean, I guess that makes sense. But one time I tried it with like the X plus R&D method, and it looks way better if I just randomize everything instead of, this. So yeah, I gotta figure this out. How would we do this? 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 We can we just, for example, we can we just like change the seat? Oh, so that's it then. We just change the seat. Okay. Oh wow, okay, so that's it. That's it then. Uh, we just gotta change each one of this seed. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select everything here and go x plus r and d 9, r and d 10. Doesn't really matter. X plus r and d 10. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. But it still won't be totally random though. It's like it's duplicating the same thing for each of them. Oh, wait, actually, no. Yeah, this is how you do it. This is completely random now. R&D, um, 10, whatever. X plus R&D, 10. And we have completely messed this up. But now it means that we can just make all of them editable. And we should get... Oh, what the fuck? We should get something quite questionable. And super laggy as well. Okay, so you know what? I'll just do one rotation for now. Sorry, 3 rotation. So this is 3 rotation. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna delete this random rotation. I'm gonna drag out all of this. So we'll just have a bunch of these things. And they're all the exact same. Okay, and I can select everything. And then go to select, selection filter, create selection object. And you know what? I'll just put everything in there because why not? It's a good thing. And I'm gonna lock this. So now I have total control. Oh my god. Okay, this is quite monstrous. Yeah, that's a lot of stuff, right? Oh, I haven't changed it to creature. It's still a creature boy here. Okay, so we can disable displacement if we want to make things look easier to see. Anyway, yeah, this is ridiculous. I'm gonna set this to 300. Oh, 300. Okay, actually that looks horrible. Stepping smoothness, I'm gonna go with 60%. Okay. Alright. What else can we do? Thickness variation. Yeah, let's bring that down a bit. Something like 43%. I mean, I like random, but this is just too much. I'm gonna go with 40. Thickness evolution factor. Yeah, 73 is a good amount. And then in the variations here, these are what causes those weird artifacts. I'm gonna bring them down a lot. Let's go 50 for the exit. And I think that looks pretty good. Maybe 40. It still looks very stupid. But yeah, that's pretty much it, I guess. And we can just drag this around and watch this thing walk. And it's an absolute nightmare. Wow. Actually, this is really cool actually. Okay, I'm gonna up displacement strength Y because I think that's not enough. There you go. Yes, now this is something. Now, oh yes. Looks very cool. Looks very cool. And yes, this wouldn't have been this laggy if I wasn't streaming. So yeah. If you're wondering why it's super laggy right now, it's because the OBS is just eating up a lot of my CPU. Yeah, I'm sure it's CPU. Can hide this to, but yeah, wow. That looks pretty insane. And we have very easy sliders. Okay, so I mean this is good, but I think we should also make the variation for the strength, the displacement strength, which is, well, another lot of work, but I think that's worth it. Let's do it. But yeah, I think I'll do those another time. For now, I'll save this. But yeah, I think we're done. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I'll definitely add the strength, and yeah, the strength variation, because that I think yeah, that's definitely gonna add a lot to something like this. Oh yeah, and another thing about this, if you have something that you don't like, this thing, well, you can just decrease it right from here. So just change whatever the maximum thickness to 5, so it's not as fat. Oh wait, I changed the wrong setting. Oops. Just select that and just change this to something like 5, 4, and yeah, it's very customizable, right? So yeah, that's the thing about this. It's pretty cool. It is kind of a paint setup, but yeah, the end result is very nice. Okay, I think that's gonna be everything. So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in the next stream, which is probably gonna be I don't know, like the day after tomorrow. So yeah, bye bye.